If you are really into content creation on social media and want to provide your content without showing your face or making videos, so I have really what you want. And picture that posting once and watching your website explode with traffic. No videos, no FaceTime, no dancing required. The secret is by making stop scrolling carousel post that turns your silent lurkers into raving fires. And for sure, we all know carousel post is the multi-page post that enables the visitors and readers to swipe left to right in this post. So you can provide your text content and provide a call to action to get more traffic to your website, your products, and so on. And for that, let me show you this stunning tool built for you. This tool is RemoCarousel in its latest suite. RemoCarousel is the smartest way to build your carousels that sell in images slides. And here you can find many features that blow your mind. So let me show how RemoCarousel works and its best. So you can turn your story or your idea or your paragraph into 8 slide social carousels in just firstly you can sign up for free in this amazing tool, and for sure you can use it and you can take the benefit of this amazing tool freely every single day. You gotta 2 credits daily in its free version. So here, by the way, let me show you all these amazing features included to give you the highest hand in social media content creation to provide the best and outstanding carousel post. So now let's begin with the first part. Here insert your topic or your idea, question, paragraph, and so on to convert it to a beautiful carousel post. So for example, here I just insert something like how faster, for example, okay. Here, your website or name, just you can brand yourself and show your own website or your name, your brand name, like Remon Passive, Remon Sapri, or your social media link, and so on. So in this case, I just answer something like swimmer's vibe or something. Here, choose your logo or your profile picture. It's like a brand for you to make every single slide contains your logo of your website, your product, your profile picture, and so on. Make it more personalized for you. For sure, you don't want to show your face, but actually you can make people recognize your post by inserting your profile picture or your logo. So here, for example, I just uploaded your profile picture and upload here this image, and here in this step just choose your font. Here you can find plenty of these amazing display fonts. So I just take this one like Satoshi, for example, or you can actually upload your own custom font to make your carousel post more customizable for you and more brand unique. So here just you can get over to some websites out there that provide free commercial fonts like this one, Font Space, and I like this one to try. So click over this one to download. So go back to RemoCarousel and upload your own font. This one, super shiny, perfect. And choose your language. Here you can support different languages: Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, Arabic, and so on. So in our case, I just selected this English. And here you can find this amazing part of your carousel post to make more branding and more marketing campaigns using it. Here you can add a custom call to action in the last slide of it. So here you can insert your call to action like go to your link in bio or comment down below something, or just you can download your freebie and so on and so forth. So here you can take your own readers and your audience from every single slide as a storytelling to reach the last one where they can find your call to action. So here in our case we can try something like please link or follow for more. Okay, like this one, simple one. And the emoji, I like to make it like this one, for example, quickly, and click over this button, generate your slides, and just in a matter of seconds here you can find your own slides pop up like magic as you see with your own chosen font, like this use hours, cornerstones, and so on and so forth, as you observe. Okay, this one as you want, got from this super shiny font. So here if we go back, okay, and select another thing, like you can refresh your tool and just try something else, like in German language, for example. I would like to, like, sollten wir ChatGPT Duncan. Okay, so do we have to say thank you to ChatGPT and insert your website name? Like for example, I would like to make it Schneider or something. So any brand name in our mind, like MyNF. Upload your logo, so I would leave it, or you can upload something else, like, okay, and choose your font. Here make it Satucci. Language, I would make it German, Deutsch. Call to action, I would leave it, or just Kommentare oder sagen Sie in Kommentare unter. Okay, for example, or okay, that's it. Then click over this button, generate your slides in Deutsch, and here you can find your amazing carousel post with this amazing font as you observe. Zoltan Viewer is your profile, your logo or your profile picture, numbering of your slides. Here you can find your URL or your name, this arrow to make your readers watch. I have two ways to download these images, either by going to this button, export all as PNG. So click over this button and here you can find all your images would be downloaded one by one. Okay, like this one, and this number one, save it, and this number two, and so weiter, or so on and so forth. Okay, so just to cancel all these downloads. Okay, or you can send over one of these slides and click over it to download as a single image as you want. So for sure, you can find two different plans in this amazing RemoCarousel. Just as I said earlier, you can take advantage of this amazing tool completely for free. If you have a look at these pricing plans, you can find this free plan and this pro plan as you see. Okay, with amazing and extra credits, languages, top right logo. Okay, and this bottom and your name and brand or something else. Choose your exclusive font, your custom font from external websites as we did before, and then no watermark for sure. Export as PNG instantly. Custom call to action at the last slide on your own carousel post, and so on and so forth as you observe. Or even better, here you can try this amazing tool as well by converting your paragraph from your article, and you can do that for all your paragraphs and get more traffic to your original website or your original blog post to get more traffic to your website. So that way you can insert in this box your paragraph. For example, if you head over to this blog post and that article talks about 7 reasons why we love cats, and here we can take this, for example, this paragraph or this one and so on, and just to copy that and go to RemoCarousel, where we can insert here your own paragraph that will be converted to your carousel post just in a snap. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.